My dress came for Disneyland. Surprise, I'm going to Disneyland and I'm specifically going for Princess Night. I'm so excited. I have so much to catch you guys. I need scissors. I have so much to catch you guys up on, but my dress just came today and I'm so nervous about it. I have no idea if it's going to fit. So we're gonna try it on together and see. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. What if it doesn't fit? Okay, I'm really nervous. Should I do like a Hannah Montana transition? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So okay, I didn't know how it worked. So this part is a corset tie. I don't think I can physically do it by myself, but then the bottom part is a zipper. So the zipper is good. I ordered this in a 4, and truthfully, I can be any size from like a 0 to an 8. It just depends on the store. So that's why I was like freaking out, because I literally never know my size. I've got the shoes, I've got the dress. It's honestly, it fits way better than I thought. I didn't even think it was gonna zip up. So I'm going to Disneyland for Princess Night, and it's the very first Princess Night they've ever done. So what Princess Night is it's like an after, I think it's called a Disneyland After Dark event. So kind of the same thing as like Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party or the Christmas parties or Moonlight Magic, the stuff that they kind of do here at Disney World. It's just like a fun little, the park closes early, you pay, I think it's like $120 to $150 depending on the event. And it's like a special event with special things happening. So I'm actually going with friends and we're all gonna go to Princess Night and dress up as different princesses. And so I'm gonna be Belle. That's why I got the yellow dress. My other friends are doing Rapunzel, Jasmine, and Aurora. We all got the same dress. 2 of the girls are still waiting on their dresses to come, so I hope they work. I think if it worked for me, I think they're gonna be fine. But yay, that was like my biggest worry, was the dress. Now that we know it's good, I can order everything else. So I had a few options because I don't want to do like a cosplay. I don't even know if that would be allowed, but I don't want to do a Belle cosplay where I dress up exactly like her, but I do want to feel princessy because I never ever wear like a big gown like that, and I never like I don't ever dress up like this. My friend Alice has like a bunch of tiaras that I might borrow. Like if we all do tiaras, then I'll do a tiara. But if not, I was thinking of putting like little roses in my hair and just kind of like having my hair be really curled and down and then roses everywhere. Maybe a half up, half down like Belle does. So I'm on Amazon looking for roses and I found a few options. So there's these ones that have like a little hairpin. These are perfect, but the black is really ugly. And then there's these that also are perfect, but I don't like the silver because I want to get this gold necklace. So I think I'm just gonna order all of them. They're all like under $10. That's one thing I love about Amazon, is that the returns are really easy. So I think I'm gonna order all 3 of these and then just kind of see what works. So I think we're also gonna be going to Universal because Super Mario World just opened. Or is it? It's not Super Mario World, Super Nintendo World. I love Mario. We're going there and I just ordered my outfit for that. I hope it works. I ordered this dress from Free People, which I never do. I've never ordered from Free People before, but it just looked really cute and it's a little expensive, but if it looks good on me, like if it fits me well, it's something that I know I'll wear all the time. So like I'm okay with spending the money on it if I'm actually going to wear it all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna order a few more things off of Amazon. I'm gonna order my Belle accessories, my Mario accessories. I'm spending so much money on this trip. So feel free to like this video and comment down below. So once I get all of this stuff, then I think I'll have everything ordered and then it'll be time to pack. Good morning. So it's Monday. We have a little less than a week till Disneyland, and today I'm getting my nails done. I'm so excited because they've looked like this for a little bit. So here's what I'm thinking. Flower and Garden is on Wednesday, which is a big deal for me, and I really wanted to get cute floral nails for that, but I leave for Disneyland on Sunday and I don't think I want to have flower nails for Disneyland. So I had this idea to do yellow glitter almond nails because it's gonna match my Flower and Garden outfit. It's going to match my Belle, like my big yellow dress. I think I'm wearing a lot of yellow just in general on this trip, accidentally. So I think yellow is the move, but make them glittery because I need a little something fun. Let's go to Winter Park, go to Embellishment Miriam and get them done. Also, look at how cute my coffee cup is. I like kind of forgot I had it, and it's so cute. Okay, I'm back. Time for the nail reveal. Ta-da! First of all, I feel like they're longer than my normal nails. Like, who is she? But oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So, I got the Gel X nails is what it's called, and they're apparently the like latest nail trend. By the way, I got it embellished by Miriam in Winter Park. Miriam is my favorite ever. She is so sweet. She does the best nails. It's called Gel X, I think, and it was like a full nail on my nail. Usually I get tips, so she painted the yellow color on my nails, and then we did the velvet nails. So we did a gold velvet nail polish, so she painted that on, and then she uses a magnet to like move it around. So they're kind of like iridescent nails in the sense like they change in the light, you know? So next I'm gonna go get a Starbucks because I always like to treat myself after getting my nails done. So they were all out of the pistachio cream cold brew, which has been my favorite. It's my go-to. So I'm trying a new drink today. It's the salted caramel cold brew. I don't know. Let's try it. There's just really not a lot of like foam. Like the pistachio is like a lot of creamy foam. This is not a lot of foam. I know I was just in Disneyland, but I actually planned this trip before that one. I'm going with my friend Alice, who you guys have seen in the vlog the past few videos, and then we're also going with our friend Lizzie and her boyfriend Matt, and then our other friend Jess and her boyfriend Lewis. So if you want to follow along with what I'm doing like in real time, then come follow my Instagram and TikTok at EmilyNels8 because I will be posting so much on there. I always post on there in real time. And I'm also trying to be a little more active on TikTok. I'm almost to 100K on TikTok, which like isn't a big deal, but it is a big deal to me. So if you want to come help me get there, we're almost to 100K on here, which is an even bigger deal to me. If you want to help me out and subscribe, follow me, I will love you so, so much. I literally just made a heart with my coffee. So I'm gonna run into Sephora. I don't really need a lot of things. It's always very dangerous to walk into Sephora because I will always buy things that I need that I don't really need. I just spent so much money. So here's what I got. So I got the Urban Decay All-Nighter little setting spray. I have this in the big bottle, but to travel with. Next, I got the Sol de Janeiro spray. This is, what scent is it? It's Black Amber Plum and Vanilla Woods. Couldn't really explain it to you, but this is my favorite scent of all time and I'm running low. Not only does it smell so good, but it's the best like travel spray. I didn't realize that Glossier is now being carried in Sephora. So that's what got me. I got the Super Bounce serum, and then I got Miss Queen Selena's Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. So something new I got that I've never tried before is the Glossier Solar Paint. It's their liquid bronzer. I got the Glossier lip gloss, which okay, maybe I didn't need it because I also got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This is a lip balm. I had this for over a year and I used the whole entire thing. So pretty much everything I'm buying is stuff that I've had and I've completely used it, so that's good. So let me show you. This is my favorite lip gloss. Okay, look at that. Look how it just elevated my look. That's my favorite lip balm for my like no makeup days like today. And then last but not least, I got a new mascara. This is the Too Faced one. So now I'm gonna run all the rest of my errands. That's just like typical things I have to do before I leave. So wish me luck. So I'm back home from Target. Who wants a haul? So I ended up getting like 3 different bathing suits. So here's the thing, when we're going to California, it's gonna be cold. But originally, before we looked at the weather, we were gonna have a beach day. And I think that day it's gonna be 75 and we're not gonna be there all day. So I think we can still do our beach day. At the very least, just like sit on the sand, you know, maybe not go in the water. I just love the colors on it. And I have this teal hat that I think would look so good with this. And then I also got this one that ties at the top. And then I liked this one a lot because it's a high-waisted bottom. And then I also got one more. I think this is my favorite. It is a strapless teal one with another high-waisted bottom. And here is the high-waisted bottom. And then you can put a strap on this as well. So I didn't need 3 bathing suits, but I really don't like a lot of my bathing suits. So just random stuff I got for the house. I got these Rose and Bloom scented smell things. The Rose Scent Myers dish soap and hand soap. Oh, I got this new e.l.f. soap brow. I got syrup and pancakes because I've been craving pancakes. I also got chicken for my dinner tonight. And one last thing, an Amazon package arrived, so let's open it together. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is the Super Mario necklace I got. Actually, I probably should do the question block because they literally have those in the land. But I also was gonna do this star. It was like, I thought that'd be cute. Oh, this is really pretty. I got this rose necklace for Belle. Oh my gosh. They sent me, did I order 2? I did. Dang it. That must have meant that one was already in my cart. That's why my order was so much. Because I ordered all this and it was like $60. And I was like, wow, that's really expensive for just a little bit of jewelry. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. So this is one of the roses I got. I really liked these. I don't know if you could see. I think these might be the one. Yay, okay, so time to put everything away. Today is Friday, and I leave for Disneyland in 2 days. And it's time for my favorite part of packing for any trip, and that is putting together the outfits and trying everything on. So we have a little dilemma because it turns out it's like freezing in California. It literally was snowing yesterday in Disneyland, which never happens, I don't think, which is insane compared to Florida. It was 90 degrees today. We've literally passed winter, past spring, and we've gone straight into summer. This whole week, it's like a high of 88. So all of my outfits that I put together for Disneyland, I put together not even thinking about the weather because I haven't had to think about it here. So I don't have to necessarily change any outfits, but I do have to kind of put together colder, warmer, I guess, no, warmer. I have to put together warmer versions of the outfits, and then I think my plan is to do a daytime outfit and a nighttime outfit because when the sun is out, I think I'll be okay no matter what I wear. And that's what it was like the last time I was there too. So it's not a big deal. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight is put together outfits. Also, I'm sad because since it's so cold, I decided that we're not going to do a beach day. So even though I got some cutie little bathing suits for this trip, I'm just gonna have to hold off on wearing them until I get back. Because I can wear them here in Florida. Now, I should just do a beach day here. So I got this headband. I got it yesterday. It's from Forever 21. And so I got this for Super Nintendo World to be Little Miss Daisy. And I think it's so cute. But what I love about it is, well, one, I feel like Blair Waldorf. Like, the last Disneyland trip, I wore a thick headband like this, and I love them. I'm entering my Blair Waldorf era anyways. But what I love about it, and what I love about most of the stuff I got for this trip, is that I know I'm going to be wearing it outside of this trip. Like, I cannot wait to wear this to Flower and Garden, or even just like a brunch with the girlies or something. I think it's so cute. And then I got this beautiful dress from Free People. I actually thought it was a romper, but I guess it's a dress, which, I mean, it will look the same either way. It's so pretty. Now, luckily for our Super Nintendo Day, I think it's gonna be like 70s. Let's check. So Sunday the day I get there, it's 59 degrees. So I'm gonna be bundled up that day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's like a high of low 60s, which is pretty cold. And then Thursday, it's a high of 67. So I'm probably gonna wear this just with a denim jacket. I got these fleece tights on Amazon. Now I'm thinking they came in a thin fleece and a thick fleece, and I got the thin fleece. I definitely should have got the thick fleece. But okay, these are really cool. So it's like literal like fleece tights, but it's supposed to look just like regular like mesh, like thin black tights. Since I was just in Disneyland, I didn't want to buy like new Disney 100 outfits because I just bought a bunch of stuff for it. So I'm going to re-wear the stuff that I bought for my last trip, except I'm going to like mix it up. So we're bringing back the Silver Shrug because it's freaking adorable. And I was thinking of pairing it with this purple dress that I actually got for Festival of the Arts. And then I was gonna wear this just like this, but since it's cold, I'm going to wear it with my tights. So option 1 with the ears, or option 2, we bring back the hat, which I think I want to do this one. Oh, cute, yeah. And then do little clips. It's literally exactly what I did. And then if I get cold and don't want to change, I'm gonna bring my puffer. And then I'm thinking at night I'll do something like this, so like a hoodie, and then I still have my tights on and I just put jeans on, so it's like double layer. Or maybe I can wear like a long sleeve under this. It's such a boring outfit. Like, I don't feel cute in this, but it is what it is. I don't know how to dress for cold weather. Okay, I put on the Daisy outfit. I think it's really cute. What I like about this dress is that, oh, well, first of all, the back is beautiful, but it is yellow. Like, this is a yellow dress to me, but it's a yellow orange, and Daisy's dress is a yellow orange dress. I think technically it's a yellow dress with orange like detailing. I don't know what it's called. So I just made it into Magic Kingdom. I wanted to come here literally just to film a few TikToks, like the pre-transition where I'm at the Cinderella castle to the Disneyland castle. I always love doing that. It's become like a tradition for me, and I think it's so cool that like today I'm in Magic Kingdom, tomorrow I'll be in Disneyland. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then probably watch the sunset over the castle and then go home, and then we have to finish packing, or I guess start packing. Okay guys, today's the day. I guess, yeah, technically it is 1 a.m. I'm putting on my airport fit and I'm getting ready to go to Alice's, and then we're going to the airport. So I think our flight's at like 6 a.m. so we need to get there at 4 a.m. and I don't think the airport's gonna be that busy, but Alice said she saw stuff just about like long lines and stuff, I guess, because we're kind of getting into spring break. So we're gonna try to be there as early as possible. So I'm about to leave here in a minute, so I'm leaving at like 1:30. I haven't slept. I'm pulling an all-nighter, and somehow I have a lot of energy. I think it's because I have a lot of anxiety. I literally was about to have an anxiety attack. I don't even know why. But also, yeah, it's only 1 a.m. or like 1:30. Normally, I don't go to bed till like 3, 4, 5. So I think that's maybe why too. Little OOTD. It's nothing crazy. But I'm wearing my Disney 100 hoodie. I feel like I'm gonna get kind of hot between now and the airport. But then once I'm in the plane, I think it'll be cold, and then once I'm in California, I'm gonna freeze. I think the high is like 59 today. I wore this hoodie last time going to Disneyland for the Disney 100 celebration, so like it's tradition at this point. Let me show you the packing situation. So this is my carry-on. I think I have everything in it, but I'm keeping it open for any last minute little things. And then this is my big suitcase, and same thing, I'm just adding a few things here, and then I'm gonna put my puffer on top, and then I think I'm pretty much packed. I wanted to curl my hair. Yeah, I'm already sweating in this hoodie. Okay, this is much better. I'm gonna wear this and then just put my hoodie either in my carry-on suitcase or my backpack if it'll fit. Isn't that shirt so cute? I got it on my last Disneyland trip, which I forgot to do a haul for that trip, and I'm so sorry. I was so excited to do a haul. So I don't think I'm gonna buy a ton of stuff from this trip, but if I buy anything, I'm gonna do like a combined haul from both trips. Let's go crack open a Celsius. Not that I need it, because I have energy, but I feel like, sorry, you were blurry. I feel like when I get in my car, I feel like when I get to Alice's, I'm gonna crash. So, cheers. This is my favorite. It's a Celsius Raspberry Acai. It's one of the only non-carbonated ones, which I love, because I really can't, my stomach can't handle carbonated drinks, so. Oh, look what I put on my fridge. This is also from my last trip, ignore my whiteboard, but I got this magnet last time I was there, and I think it's so fun. Okay, yeah, so I was gonna curl my hair, but I just don't have time. So I put it in these French braids, hoping that when I take them out, because my hair's wet, I washed it, when I take it out, it'll be like kind of mermaid curls-ish. And then when we get to the hotel, I'm gonna actually curl it, manifesting good vibes and a good trip. So the rest of the vlogs are going to be coming out probably next week or the week after. So if you want to follow along my trip in real time, then come on over to my Instagram and TikTok at EmilyNels8. I'm gonna be posting so much content, and then if not, I will see you guys in a week. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can take everything to my car and go to Alice's and party it up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And the next time you see me, I will be in Disneyland. Let's go.